Good morning, this is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We've seen some active weather in the local area over the past 24 hours. Did see some thunderstorms in the area yesterday. Saw rainy and windy conditions into the evening and into this morning, and just shy of an inch and a half of rain here at Wallops is what we accumulated. But we are seeing that rain start to move out of the area, and we'll see high pressure building in. Will remain mainly cloudy and breezy today, but then we'll see dry and seasonable conditions return for the remainder of the week. If we look at our current surface analysis, we have that boundary that is pushed off the coast. This surface analysis is a couple hours behind, so this precip activity has also pushed off the coast as well. We'll see this area of high pressure off to the west that's going to be building in as we move into the day on Tuesday and Wednesday. Just going to stay locked in over the area, keeping things again quiet and seasonable, and then we'll see a reinforcing area of high pressure build in for the remainder of the week. Current conditions this morning, we have an overcast deck around 1,200 feet. We have those winds out of the northwest at 12 knots, gusting up to 22 knots, and actually seeing gusts up around 25 knots. We are currently in a wind advisory, and we'll likely see that through most of the day today. Temperature at 38 degrees, relative humidity is at 89%. If we look at the current visible satellite, we could see bulk of the clouds off the coast, but we still keep that low cloud deck over the southern part of the Marvin Peninsula. We'll see a break in those, but as those winds pick up later today, we'll see this low-level cloud moving into the area around 3,000 to 4,000 feet. With those breezy conditions, but things will be drying out. If we take a look at the local radar, we could see shower activity off to the east and northeast of the area, and that will continue to move out of the area this morning. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out today. Again, the model picking up pretty good on the current picture. Again, those showers moving out of the area, boundary continuing to push eastward, and we'll see dry conditions through the remainder of the day. Again, just breezy to windy with those clouds around 3,000 to 4,000 feet this afternoon. Then we'll see things start to clear as we go into the evening time frame with a mostly clear and cool night. And then as we go into the day on Tuesday, we'll see sunny and seasonable conditions, expecting dry weather to continue. And then Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll see mostly clear, and then a few clouds start to build in as that second reinforcing shot of high pressure moves through behind a dry frontal boundary that will be pushing through. Mainly just see a slight increase in clouds through the day on Wednesday, mainly mid and high clouds, and then we'll see a slight breeze pick up, but nothing too significant looking at this time. So if we look at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, expecting overall mainly green conditions as things continue to dry out and the rain moves out of the area, but we do expect those windy conditions to continue through most of the day today. Seeing those winds out of the northwest, 13 to 18 knots, gusting up to around 27, 28 knots, peaking later this morning, and then we'll see those slowly taper off a bit as we get into the later part of the afternoon. Continuing out of the northwest, but seeing those gusts die down to around 22 knots by the later part of the afternoon. But continuing with a red risk for those winds at or above 25 knots this morning, dropping down to an orange for the afternoon. Again, we are currently in a wind advisory at this time, and we'll likely see that through much of the day today. Otherwise, we'll see temperatures just below average for this time of year, getting up to around 47 to 48 degrees this afternoon. And then as we go into the evening time, we'll see those temperatures really fall off down to around 29 degrees for our low Tuesday morning. But we will see those skies start to clear as we go into the evening time, and with clear skies through most of the evening. Right now, tides are running normal. Taking a look at the next couple of days, again, expecting high pressure to build in with some dry and seasonable weather. So Tuesday, looking sunny and seasonable with a high around 48 degrees. Tuesday night, we'll see mostly clear, and then we'll see some increasing clouds, late seasonable temperature with a low around 34 degrees. And then Wednesday, we'll see partly mostly cloudy at times. We'll have a slight breeze, but overall another seasonable day with a high around 51 and green conditions for our weather risk over the next couple of days. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Otherwise, enjoy your morning.